It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out. You oughta know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't not for the baby. We'll stop playing before we go the different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrap down our fingers, take good times. Welcome to the practice show, where we play it like a plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything, anything. When you gotta pick by a string, by a string. Gotta play it like it's toys. We'll make it do what we enjoy. Do anything when you gotta buy a street. Don't like the look of this picture. Boy, you think that I'm in love with you? Crime everywhere, talk drastically, but you extra. I'ma do it my way, ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like I'm Felicia with it. I'ma control up, playing the guitar in any game, over to the say so. Got it, but I want for it to please me. I just make it through the things I want you to. Playing Puppet Master, everything's so easy. I make all of my own dreams come true. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we be taking control. Wrap down our fingers, take good times. Welcome to the practice show. Where we play like a plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything, anything. When you gotta pick it by a string, by a string. Gotta play it like the toys, like the toys. Make 'em do what we enjoy. Do anything, anything. When you gotta buy a string, yeah. Follow my lead. Just leave the whole thing up to me. My expertise, yeah. Welcome to the practice show, where we play it like the plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything. When you gotta make it by a string, by a string. Welcome to the